Did you know that by putting cement inside a piece of bread, you can solve a very common household problem that scares many people? Since I learned this trick, I haven't spent another cent on expensive solutions. To start this simple and effective trick, you'll need a tablespoon of cement, the same type used in construction. Then, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It can be white or colored, whichever you have at home. After that, add 1.5 tablespoons of refined sugar. Mix all these ingredients well until you get a homogeneous paste. I'm sure you or someone you know has dealt with this problem at home, and it's usually something that really scares people, especially when it appears in the kitchen, laundry area, or even the bathroom. The good news is that this recipe is practical, cheap, and extremely effective. After mixing everything well, take a piece of stale bread, the kind you would probably throw away. If you prefer, you can use a cookie. But the bread works better because of the smell and yeast, which attract more. Start breaking the bread into pieces with your hands and slowly add it to the paste you just made. Once everything is well mixed, if you want a larger batch, just double the recipe using the same proportions. Now, let's use 2 empty plastic containers. Carefully cut the bottom of each one with scissors to create small improvised containers. These bottoms will serve as holders to place the mixture in strategic spots around the house. Still wondering what this is for? I'll explain. What we just made is a powerful poison bait to eliminate cockroaches and even mice. It works better for cockroaches as the bread and sugar act as bait. These insects are attracted by the smell, and when they eat the mixture, they also ingest the cement and toothpaste. The effect is immediate. Their digestive systems can't handle these ingredients, and this quickly leads to the animal's death. Just place the containers in the corners of your house where you usually find cockroaches or rodents. Here at home, for example, I had a serious problem with cockroaches appearing inside the kitchen cabinet, especially on hot days. Since I started using this simple technique, the cockroaches have completely disappeared from my house. You can place the mixture in strategic spots like near drains, in the laundry area, in kitchen corners, or near the front door. It works the same way, and the best part, this solution is incredibly cheap and effective. You probably already have all the ingredients in your pantry, which makes this trick even more practical. Compared to chemical products sold in supermarkets, which are usually expensive and full of toxic substances, this homemade alternative is much safer, more efficient, and affordable. So don't waste time, make the recipe today, apply it in the right places, and in just a few days, you'll see the pests start to disappear. And when you notice the difference, come back here and share your results. A big hug to you, and see you in the next video with more useful tips.